The future of travel doesn't run on roads anymore. In 2026, motorhomes evolve into rolling fortresses, wrapped in luxury, powered by advanced off-grid technology, and built to survive anywhere on the planet. These machines don't just take you places, they replace the world you leave behind. From self-sustaining systems to extreme expedition capability, every build on this list pushes travel beyond imagination. And stay with us, because the final motorhome isn't just rare, it's something you've probably never seen before. Expandable campers often introduce complexity in exchange for space. Slides, pop-outs, and hinged sections increase interior room, but they also add moving parts that must function perfectly every time. Over long trips, those mechanisms become points of attention. Weather affects operation. Uneven ground complicates deployment. You start planning stops around what the camper needs instead of what the journey allows. The result is a living space that feels conditional rather than dependable, especially when travel becomes unpredictable. The Romotow approaches space differently by rotating the entire living module instead of expanding it in sections. That single, controlled movement reduces mechanical clutter while maintaining structural integrity. Once positioned, the interior feels intentional rather than extended. Balance remains consistent, and exposure points are minimized. Over time, this simplicity changes how the camper is used. Setup becomes routine instead of cautious. Living space feels reliable instead of temporary. The design doesn't chase flexibility through complexity, it achieves it through restraint, which proves far more sustainable over extended travel. Large expedition vehicles carry inherent pressure. Weight influences every decision, from route choice to recovery planning. Poorly integrated living spaces amplify that stress by forcing constant attention to balance, movement, and system management. When interior layouts feel disconnected from the vehicle beneath them, daily routines become awkward and fatigue builds from managing both terrain and living space at the same time. The Otag 385 integrates mass and livability as a single system. The vehicle's size is acknowledged rather than disguised, and internal layouts respect how the platform moves and reacts. Systems are positioned for accessibility, and movement inside remains controlled even when terrain is not. That cohesion reduces mental strain during long journeys. Instead of compensating for the vehicle's scale, you operate within it confidently. The design supports focus, allowing attention to remain on navigation and conditions rather than internal adjustments. Compact campers often struggle with long-term livability. Limited storage forces constant reorganization, and tight layouts restrict movement in ways that become frustrating over time. What works for short stays can feel inefficient once routines develop and trips extend beyond a few nights. The KABE series uses disciplined design to avoid those pitfalls. Vertical space is used intentionally, storage is integrated rather than added, and movement paths remain clear despite the small footprint. That efficiency supports sustained use without exaggeration. Instead of pretending to be larger than it is, the camper operates comfortably within its limits. Over time, that honesty reduces friction and allows routines to settle naturally, making extended travel more realistic than the size suggests. Towing requirements, storage constraints, and planning overhead create barriers that discourage spontaneous travel. Capability exists, but access becomes restricted by logistics rather than terrain. The GO Grande S1 prioritizes approachability without sacrificing core function. Its size and layout allow movement, parking, and setup without specialized skills or heavy preparation. That simplicity encourages regular use instead of occasional trips. Over time, the camper becomes part of normal travel habits rather than a special purpose asset. Ease of use translates directly into experience, and experience builds confidence, a cycle that keeps the camper active rather than idle. Insufficient insulation leads to condensation. Heating systems struggle to stabilize temperatures, and interior comfort becomes something that requires constant management. Many motorhomes are built for moderate climates, leaving winter performance as an afterthought. KABE designs with harsh conditions as the baseline. Insulation, thermal efficiency, and sealed systems work together to maintain interior stability despite external extremes. That consistency affects more than comfort. It influences rest quality and decision-making. When the interior environment remains controlled, travel becomes safer and more sustainable. The vehicle supports the climate rather than reacting to it, which is essential for extended cold region travel. Introduces continuous motion and environmental exposure. Systems operate constantly, space remains limited, and design flaws become apparent quickly. Poor layouts turn daily routines into ongoing adjustments, increasing fatigue over time. The motorhome integrates marine durability with residential planning. Space is allocated with movement in mind, and systems are designed for uninterrupted operation. That integration allows life aboard to settle into rhythm rather than improvisation. Over time, predictability replaces novelty, and the structure supports sustained living rather than short-term experience. The result is a floating home that prioritizes function over spectacle. Are judged over distance, not presentation. Weight distribution, system redundancy, and service access define whether a platform can sustain long-term travel. Poor design forces improvisation, especially when support is far away. The Eurocargo platform emphasizes reliability through accessible systems and heavy-duty components. Layout choices prioritize maintenance and repair without dismantling living space. That foresight reduces downtime and stress during extended travel. Over time, the vehicle becomes a dependable partner rather than a complex project. When systems remain serviceable and predictable, the journey continues with confidence instead of constant correction. Long-distance expedition travel strips away comfort assumptions over time. Roads narrow, surfaces change without warning, and weight begins shifting through the chassis in ways you feel constantly rather than occasionally. Many motorhomes remain comfortable only while conditions stay predictable. Once terrain becomes uneven, movement inside turns cautious. Cabinets demand attention, systems feel strained, and daily routines require deliberate care. That constant awareness builds fatigue slowly. Not just physical fatigue, but mental strain from anticipating the next vibration, noise, or adjustment instead of settling into the rhythm of travel itself. The EXP-8 is built to stay composed under those exact conditions. Suspension travel absorbs irregular terrain before it reaches the living space, preventing constant vibration from carrying inside. Structural rigidity keeps the cabin stable without transmitting harshness through the floor or walls. Systems are integrated rather than stacked, reducing noise, flex, and unnecessary movement over distance. That consistency changes how the vehicle is experienced. You move naturally inside, routines settle, and confidence builds gradually. Instead of managing the platform, you begin to trust it. Over long distances, that trust becomes the foundation that allows the journey to continue without constant correction. Trailers often reveal their limitations once travel leaves maintained roads. Washboard surfaces transfer vibration through the frame, uneven ground shifts weight unpredictably, and lighter construction starts working against stability. Many trailers perform well on short trips, but gradually feel fragile as distances increase and conditions worsen. Storage becomes something you protect instead of rely on. Movement inside feels tentative. Over time, route decisions are shaped by concern for the trailer rather than interest in the terrain ahead, quietly reducing freedom. The OVR Adventure Travel Trailer is designed to remain balanced when conditions stop cooperating. Chassis strength, ground clearance, and weight distribution work together to keep movement controlled instead of reactive. Structural elements stay tight, storage remains secure, and the trailer tracks confidently behind the tow vehicle rather than amplifying surface changes. That stability matters across long distances. Trust builds naturally, reducing the need for constant monitoring. Travel decisions shift back toward intention rather than caution, allowing the trailer to support exploration instead of limiting it. That's a look at the motorhomes redefining travel for 2026. Built to go farther, stay longer, and handle what the road throws at them. If this blew your mind, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more futuristic travel and survival tech coming your way.